Hello everyone. In today's video, using the slope or gradient of a line, we will be proving collinear points. Let's get started. Gradient or slope of a line passing through 2 points. As we know that m is the gradient which is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Let's find out the slope of a line parallel to y-axis. As you can see that on the Cartesian plane, I have drawn one line parallel to y-axis. Let's say that that line is equal to x is equal to 3. Now to find the slope of this line, I have to pick 2 points on that line. Let's say that I pick 3, 4 and 3, 0. Now let's say that 3, 4 is x1, y1 and 3, 0 is x2, y2. Now let's find the slope here. So the slope is given by y2 minus y1, 0 minus 4 over x2 minus x1, 3 minus 3. So that is equals to minus 4 divided by 0. 1 over 0 is infinity. The slope of a line is undefined when it is parallel to y-axis. Let's find out the slope of a line parallel to x-axis. As you can see that on the Cartesian plane, I have drawn one line parallel to x-axis. Let's say that the line is equal to y is equal to 4. To get the slope of this line, I have to pick 2 points on that line. So let's say I picked 0, 4 and 3, 4. Now 0, 4 will be x1, y1 and 3, 4 will be x2, y2. Now let's find out the slope here. Slope is given by y2 minus y1, 4 minus 4 over x2 minus x1, 3 minus 0. That is equals to 0 over 3. So this is equals to 0. So the slope of a line is 0 when the line is parallel to x-axis. Let's see collinear points. That means that they are in the same line. What is the meaning of that? The slope of the line is same. Let's take one example. Given that the distinct points A, T1, B, 2, 4 and C, 1, T are collinear. Find the value of T. As you can see that I have plotted the line for you. A, T1, B, 2, 4, C, 1, T. Now, because the points are collinear, the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Now, let's apply the formula here. Slope of AB, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 1 over x2 minus x1, 2 minus t is equal to BC, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now let's solve this here. It will be 3 divided by 2 minus t is equal to t minus 4 divided by minus 1. What I am going to do? I am going to do cross multiplication on both the sides. It will be 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus t into t minus 4. Now, it will be minus 3. Now, you have to open the bracket here. So, 2 will be multiplied by t, 2 will be multiplied by 4, as well as t is multiplied by t and t will be multiplied by 4. So, let's open it. It will be 2t minus 8 minus t square plus 4t. Now move this minus 3 on right hand side. It will be 2t minus 8 minus t square plus 4t plus 3 is equal to 0. 4t plus 2t is equal to 6t. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. Minus t square is equal to 0. Now I have to make the coefficient of t square as positive. So what I am going to do? I am going to multiply this full equation with minus 1. This will be minus 60 plus 5 plus t square is equal to 0. Now let's rearrange that. T square minus 60 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now I have to factorize that. So that will be t square minus 5t minus t plus 5 is equal to 0. From the first two, t is common. So take it as a common factor. T minus 5 is left. From the second factor, minus 1 is common. So it will be t minus 5 is left and then close the bracket. So t minus 5 and t minus 1 are the two factors of this given equation. So separately t minus 5 is equal to 0 and t minus 1 is equal to 0. Now move this 5 on the other side, move this 1 on the other side. So it will be t is equal to 5, t is equal to 1. These are the two values of t. Now let's substitute those values in the coordinates. If I take t is equal to 1, the coordinates A will become 1, 1, C will become 1, 1. So the 2 points have the same coordinate, which is not possible. So that means this is impossible. So I have to take the value as t is equal to 5 as my answer. Let's take one more example. Given that the points A 2, 4, B 6, 1 and C P Q are collinear, show that 3P plus 4Q is equal to 22. As you can see that I have plotted the line for you. A 2, 4, B 6, 1, C P Q. Now the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Let's apply the formula here. Slope of AB, y2 minus y1, 1 minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2. That is equals to slope of BC, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's solve this here. It will be minus 3 over 4 is equal to q minus 1 over p minus 6. What I am going to do? I am to do cross multiplication here. So that will be equal to minus 3 bracket p minus 6 is equal to 4 multiplied by q minus 1. Now open the bracket. It will be minus 3p plus 18 is equal to 4q minus 4. Now move this 3p on right hand side and 18 on right hand side. That will be 4q minus 4 plus 3p minus 18 is equal to 0. So that is equals to 4q plus 3p minus 22 is equal to 0. Now move this 22 on right hand side. It will be 4q plus 3p is equal to 22, which I have to prove it. Let's take one more example. The line joining the points A 3, 3p and B 4p square plus 1 has gradient minus 1. Find the value of p. As you can see that I have plotted the line for you. A 3, 3p, B 4p square plus 1. The slope of this line is given by minus 1. Let's apply the slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that will be equal to y2 minus y1 p square plus 1 minus 3p over x2 minus x1 4 minus 3. Now the slope that is equals to minus 1. So put it equal to minus 1. Let's solve that. P square plus 1 minus 3p over 1. So I will do cross multiplication here. So it will be minus 1 is equal to p square plus 1 minus 3p. Now move this 1 on right hand side. It will be p square minus 3p plus 1 is equal to 0. So that is equals to p square minus 3p plus 2 is equal to 0. Now I have to factorize that. So let's do the factorization. P square minus 2p minus p plus 2 is equal to 0. From the first two, p is common. So it will be p minus 2. From the next two, it will be minus 1 is common. It will be p minus 2. That is equals to 0. P minus 2 and p minus 1 are the two factors of this equation. Put it equal to 0. So p minus 2 is equal to 0 as well as p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now move this minus 2 on right hand side. Move this minus 1 on right hand side. So p equal to 2 and p is equal to 1. These are the two values of p. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.